I'm riding down Mt Macedon. I went to the top, but the top is in the clouds and so foggy. Just couldn't see anything up there. It was just pea soup. So I've come down to a little bit lower on the mount. There's still a long way downhill to go from here, but at least I can see, and jeepers, it's not so wet either. Let's go and have a look at Mt Macedon during autumn. It's such a beautiful time of year to be on the mount. It's not far away from Sunbury. You can be here in, I don't know, 25 minutes. Alright, here's a little song called Autumn Boulevard. Tricky little piece, I'll try and play it for you. I wrote it some years ago for my grandfather.
The old man runs his fingers through the moss on the stone, through every letter of her name, and he whispers to her gently as she sleeps beneath the ground. My dear, I've come to see you once again. Remember when we were young? A single rose I stole for you in the fall of '41. The mill road winding down to the autumn boulevard. It was there that love had found us, blowing up the leaves around us. Whoa. Remember the day I asked you to be mine? Autumn once again had framed us there in time. The pounding of my heart and the rustle of the trees. They'd never find us, kicking up the leaves behind us. Whoa. Now the season is in fall again, all russet golden brown. Still beautiful, be where you lie, all dressed in autumn's gown. Oh. Nearing is the day, dear, I'll return into your arms, and our spirits will become the autumn breeze. And we'll whisper to each other down on the boulevard, and together we'll go kicking up the leaves. Autumn Boulevard.
If you've ever wondered what's at the bottom of the rainbow, turns out it's Mt Macedon. Okay, jumping onto the freeway to get back to Sunbury. It's not too far. Well, it's raining, but luckily I've found a little bit of shelter in a public toilet on the freeway, so I'm just going to see if I can wait the rain out for a little while and then I'll get back on the road. Well, it's raining pretty full on, but nobody promised me that these adventures would be easy or always comfortable or dry or fun. Hey, thanks for joining me. If you're enjoying my content, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really helps me out and encourages me to continue on. And already I'm looking forward to my next adventure. Alright, let's get home to a warm fire and a hot lunch. Woo!